I think one of the hardest problems that new sellers actually face is what to sell. What to sell online is one of the biggest roadblocks that you may be facing right now. That you really want to sell online, but you don't know what to sell, right? So come today, let me show you some of the ways that you can brainstorm, okay, how to sell online. Okay, so for today, I'll be talking and demonstrating some of the ways that how you can get product ideas, okay, what to sell and how to find these product ideas. Before I proceed, let me introduce myself. I'm Kong, your e-commerce specialist and a Lazada certified trainer. I've trained thousands of my students to grow their sales online. And not only that, for totally new beginners or even business owners who wants to venture from retail going into online. Okay, I've coached a lot of my students to grow their sales online. So if you like me to help you, please click the link below to contact me for e-commerce coaching. Come, let's go to the video. Okay, so number one is your passion. So what do you love doing? Do you love cooking? Okay, you love cooking, you can sell pots and pans, you can sell your own homemade sambals, can sell even custom-made aprons, up to you. Or if you are a gamer, well, very good. So you can sell things like mouse pads, you can sell speakers, Bluetooth speakers, chargers, whatever in that category. And you can go to sites like Lazada and Shopee and browse around what they have. Example like this. Okay, you can see what they have and sort of have a look and feel what are trending, what are the people doing sales on, and all sorts of things that you can have a look. Okay, then you go to step number 3. You look even further by category. Okay, go into the category and filter by top sales and see how many items that they are selling per month. Okay, come, let me do a quick demonstration on how to do that. Okay, so you're going to Shopee and you can go and search in the mobile or in the desktop, it's the same. Find this area where it says categories, and let's say that you are interested in sports and outdoors. Okay, so you click on it and you will see, okay, these are the major brands. Okay, you can ignore. And then you can see what's popular and also not only what is popular, you can see top sales. They will tell you latest this month how many this person sold, how many this person sold. So let's say that you're just gathering the ideas and you can roughly see, oh, yoga mats is selling at 3.1k per month. Okay, so maybe you want to sell this pink color yoga mat, for example. So you can go down by seeing all this and do some research. Okay, so and another way is you can find a very popular item, okay? And from there, you already know that it's guaranteed going to be sold well, okay? Then you find a unique variation of the item. For example, right here, they have here is the shower cap, okay? It's been selling like 3.2k every single month. And so what you do is you can find a very unique or quirky variation for that. Look at the shower cap, that is very special, and then you introduce it to the market, so you can get a bit of market share for that particular product. And that's the way is the best way is to solve a pain point of your potential customers. Okay, see the example here, right? That the problem is yellow teeth. Okay, and this person sells a solution to a tooth whitening solution for yellow teeth. So by solving their pain points, you can get the customer to buy from you and also to help the customer. Okay, and they will be your loyal customer. And how to find suppliers. Come, let's do a quick demo on how you can do that. Okay, so first we go to Google and we type in, for example, we want to see the shower cap suppliers Malaysia. Okay, so and then you can see some of the shower cap suppliers, And so you need to call them up. Let's say this one, okay? You want to sell shower caps, you just click on it, wait for it to load, and then you go to the contact area. Okay, information, you can email them. Okay, you can there's an inquiry request. Okay, you can inquire with them, or you can even call them, okay, to ask for a quotation on your product that you are potentially that you want to buy. Okay, so that's how you can do that, or you can go to even sites like Alibaba.com, 168.com to source for your products in the particular websites in from China. So it's pretty very easy. So please don't be just sitting there waiting for opportunity to come. Okay, you need to grab the opportunity right now. Okay, you can even share this video to your friends if you want. Okay, so I am Kong, your e-commerce specialist. Okay, and I'm also an e-commerce coach where I have helped thousands of my students grow their business by selling online. Okay, so I'm offering right now a free e-commerce beginners course for beginners. So you can click in the link down here if you want to get the free course in my compreneur.com website. Okay, so 2022, let's gear all up to increase our sales and our income. So thank you for listening. For those who are here, please give me a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel because I share a lot of tips for you to grow your income and your own self-confidence and motivation for you as an entrepreneur. So that's it for me. Thank you and bye-bye.